Kate Miller Fulcher, welcome to Toni Creates, and the flip through for Fiona's journal. I just have a few bits and pieces to put in, so let me show you what I did. I did the dingle dangle for down the spine here. That's a Tim Holtz thing, and I got this, I was inspired by, you know, the cat toys, so I put a feather on and I had this cat charm. So I put that, and look at the lovely glue I have under my nails. Sorry. So there we go. Did I tell you I put some white splatters on just to kind of lighten things up? This is the closure. It's a Tim Holtz post closure. So, and this is just a hairband. I have put the book corners on as well. These are just from AliExpress, so yeah. Okay, so now on the front cover we have this card that I've sewn around, and this little card, journal card, and I put one of those wooden kitty cats there. Right, in this front pocket I want to put the letter from the journal maker. This is a great letter that I got from Judith Sanderson, Rose Lane Vintage Design, on Etsy. So it just explains about journaling, and I love this. And while you write, consider this, that someday a loved one may find this journal tucked away somewhere. What a gift you'll give them when they can read these pages in your own handwriting and learn all about you, all about your hopes and dreams, what and who you loved, your memories of others that you have known, a favorite recipe, your favorite book, and all the other nuances of your daily life. Now you have given them a key that opens a door to the past, a door that leads to knowing you. I just love that idea. And this is just a wax seal that I put on here with the Protea, which would have some sort of a reference for her, so that's just gonna go there. Actually, I don't think I want that like that. I think I put it down there. Okay, and then here's another pocket just with a few little journaling cards in, and then I've put the photo, and then I'm going to take these bits of ephemera just so that when they put a photo in here, they can come and stick this over and use this as a journaling card. So that's going to go in the back pocket. So I'm just going to put that there. Oh, and here's a charm I need to find a place for. Remember the charms we made a while back? Just a reference to 2023. So I'm going to find a place for that. Right, so here's another one of the kitty cats, another journaling card. I haven't put anything on that because the paper's so nice, and you could even use this as a mount for a photograph or a Polaroid or something. So right, then here we have one of these pockets. What did I put inside here? Inside here I put it's supposed to be a loose kitty cat. You know what, I think I'm gonna just take off this. Let me find one that's not sticky. There we go, that should work. And then just a little scripture card in there. So, and it's much easier closing this now with the thinner thread. So that's gonna go there like that. Whoops, come here. I'm trying to, I haven't pulled it all the way through. I'm trying to keep it flat there. Okay, keep my thumb there, put the finger there, go this way so that it'll, and pull. There we go. And then here's a journaling card in a pocket there, and here's another journaling card, and I think I'm going to put this right here. This is Sari Silk. Kim, like so. Okay, and then that page decorated with the ephemera from the paper pad. Okay, and then some journaling pages, and then this one, and I put a tab on the side which actually sticks out, so then I put these tabs on the other pages. So here's another one. Here's a this could go over, so I'm going to leave that in there. Here's another Kitty Cat, another journaling card, and here I just added some of the ink dyed paper that we made a while ago. Again, no backing on that because it is lovely, and this is just got glossy accents. This is pink monarch prints, vertical words. So, and then just on the paper, and there's just another piece of ephemera. Here's some more journal cards. This just decorated them a bit, put bits of ephemera in that on, just used up most of the ephemera. This is a pink monarch prints, one of her super simples. I think this might be super simple number 10, I'm not sure. And then I just took elements from the paper pad, the Orchid and Cats Stamperia paper pad, and just added and I think here I actually stuck it over something that I think it said I love you or something, and then just added some, like I said, elements from the paper pad, like this journaling card here. So, and then I have a little charm which is a fish bones from the now you're stuck in it, come here. So yeah, don't know why it should be sitting like that. Oh well, it's fine, it's fine. So stick that back in this pocket, like like that, and that can actually stay on the top. Right, and then here's another, and I've put this here. I can stick it in there. So just decorated this a little bit more. The reason I put this flower on is I ended up having a mark or a smudge or something there that I didn't like. So, and then this, I think this is so cute, the cat. And then also a housey, and then just some journaling cards in there. Just put a leaf on there. Just adding a bit more green. Again, same thing, journal card with a piece of paper. And then here's our also flowers, and then here's a fabric flip, and then ta-da! Another one of our stamps underneath there, and I just go like this, get them to hang down, and then turn the page over. Here's another one. I mean, these are all kind of interchangeable. It's just the idea that you can, you know, just stick something over that so it's not place photo here, you know, or you can stick the photo right on top. Okay, here's another big journaling card, and another one, and then again glossy accents on the thing. I just put it there because this looked like it was floating, because it wasn't another bud on this end, it was just the stalk, so I just stuck that over the top so it looked like it anchored a bit. And then in this pocket, what do I have in this pocket? Oh, I just put some stickers, just some. There's the cat sticker from Amanda's shop, and just some random stickers I had, so I just stuck that in. So when they decorate or journal or whatever, they can stick them down. And of course this is a secret journaling spot as well. So yeah, come on, let me just move it sideways because this come on, and go this way so that it lies the right way. Come on, grab it. There we go. And then just in that pocket are these two, and there, big one, and another flower pot, and then this has just got the paper in, and I think I might just stick this tag in there. And then we have the back pocket, and then what I have here, guys, is I put each one of these in my journal. So I have this book. It's just a receipt book, really, and so this is my very first journal. It was made in September 2021, and it went to my daughter, a travel journal in blues. So I just kind of write a description. This one, so I know this one's still sitting on my shelf. In fact, I think I might just do this as it was a 10 euro journal. If you want to go look at the video of that I made, I might just pimp it up a bit for my 500 subscribers giveaway. You know, so all the journals, this is a journal. I actually didn't put that in the journal. Anyway, so I just wrote this one out. So I know this is journal number 18, so I'm just going to stick it in there and take this out. So that's going to go. What I have some stuff. I have a few more corner things, and I have a few more papers in there to stick on. So I'm going to stick these. And actually, what I wanted to do as well. Sorry, I want to do. I've got this cat, but I want to use a paper clip. I think I'm going to stick that in there, and then this and this. The other pieces I've got it so too tiny, they're not going to sit well. Okay, and then this one. So there's a good few bits and bobs in there, and I think I will be making this shorter because it kind of gets lost in here. So I think I'm just going to make it shorter to fit in there. But this one I made these are from Love Junk Journals, Tracy Fox, and here's a green one. Just you can decorate it more, but this journal has received so much of my time. I'm not going to do anything to it. I just want to find a spot. So let's actually look at the top here. There. Maybe somewhere around here. Just put that in there. Actually, let's have a look. Come on, woman, find a spot. Make a decision. Make a decision. See, this tells me that there's too much in this. I'm just going to put him on there with a paper clip for a bit. Another, and I'm going to move it over a bit like that. There we go. So this is not stuffed to the gills, because our elastic can go a bit further, but it is a nice size. I think it's a lovely size journal. So guys, I hope you enjoyed following along as I made this, and I just want to say thank you for liking and subscribing, for watching this video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed, please put that button and the notification and a like and a comment and all that jazz. And the next video will be making a box to put this in, just like a little gift box, just because I can't just go and say here's your journal. So anyway folks, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Cheerio now.